Alex Murdaugh, who is currently in prison for the double homicide of his wife and son, has made the shocking decision to plead guilty to stealing millions of dollars from his clients. News.com has learned that the double murderer signed a plea agreement, as part of which he will most likely face a polygraph test. The plea deal might also result in Murdaugh being transferred from the undisclosed high-security state prison where he is currently serving 2 life sentences. The 65-year-old former lawyer allegedly misdirected money from his brother and other clients for quite a while before murdering his wife and 22-year-old son. Murdaugh was accused of stealing and embezzling some $8.7 million, and he currently faces a dozen civil suits seeking monetary damages for other alleged crimes. In a rather shocking turn of events, he signed a plea deal and confessed to 22 federal crimes, including bank fraud, conspiracy to commit bank fraud, wire fraud, conspiracy to commit wire fraud, and multiple counts of money laundering, as reported by The Sun. The plea hearing has been scheduled for 10 a.m. on Thursday, September 21st, in the U.S. District Court in Charleston, where Judge Richard Gergel is expected to approve the deal. Each bank fraud charge could carry a maximum 30-year sentence, and the money laundering charges could carry a maximum sentence of 20 years. According to the outlet, Murdaugh will be required to pay restitution to his victims, which the feds requested to be more than $9 million in assets and property he obtained from the charges in his indictment, something Murdaugh has agreed to. The court documents, as reported by the CBS affiliate WTOC, state that Murdaugh would agree to cooperate with the investigation by agreeing to provide full, complete, and truthful information about all criminal activities about which he knew. The disgraced attorney was found guilty of murdering his wife Maggie and youngest son Paul at their Moselle estate back in March. The mother and son were apparently shot multiple times and their bodies were found near the dog kennels of the estate. Murdaugh has maintained his innocence regarding the murder as he serves his sentence in a high-security prison, and his legal team has contested the murder conviction. The team has appealed that the court clerk improperly influenced the jury. Currently, the 65-year-old seeks a new trial with the hopes that the murder conviction be thrown out. If it is, he could find himself in a federal prison, known to have better facilities and less violent offenders, for his financial crimes, instead of a state prison for murder. Murdaugh's trial over state financial crimes, amounting to around 100 charges, is set to begin the week of November 27, The Sun reported. According to Assistant United States Attorney Emily Limehouse, it could be months before he is sentenced for the federal crimes.